Again, still on Module 4, Happy Healthy Me, Week 1, Lesson 1. And we're still working on phonological awareness. Today we're going to work on the letter K. The letter K. The letter K makes the k sound. When you make the letter K, your tongue is pressed up at the back of your mouth. But then, instead of like with the G saying g, g, you drop your mouth, your tongue down. K, k, k. Say kite, kangaroo, kick. Do you feel that air coming out as you press it? Do it again. Kite, kangaroo, kick, cool with a K. Okay? Get it? Good. So this is our friend, our alpha friend, Kayla Kangaroo. So let's watch the video about Kayla Kangaroo for our alpha friend, the letter K. Okay? There she is. This is our friend, Kayla Kangaroo. I like this video. Alrighty, that was Kayla Kangaroo. She's our alpha friend for the letter K. Alrighty, let's go ahead now and let's go to our Know It, Show It page for the letter K. Alright, and here Kayla Kangaroo is saying, write your slanted lines neatly. And I know that you guys always do your neatest work because you try to do your best work. So I'm going to tell you how to write these letters. If you listen to me, they'll come out just right. So first we're going to begin with the uppercase K. Follow my instructions, okay? All right, we're going to do uppercase K. Top to bottom. Lift your pencil. At the top, slant in. At the dotted, slant down. Okay? Top to bottom. Lift your pencil. At the top, slant in. At the dotted, slant down. Slant out. Okay? Lowercase k. Your first line is still going to be top to bottom. Lift your pencil. This time, you're going to start at the dotted. Not going to start up top like the uppercase K. You're going to start at the dotted line. At the dotted, slant in, slant down. Okay? Lowercase k. Top to bottom. Lift your pencil. At the dotted, slant in, slant down. Now, you don't want your K's looking like this, do you? What about, No, I know you guys can write so much better than that. But do your best. If it's a little bit wobbly, that's cool. But always do your best. All right, this is Kim. Kim. Okay? Uppercase K because it's someone's name. Trace the uppercase K. Kim. Finger space. Again, Kim. Uppercase K, top to bottom. Lift your pencil at the top, slant in. At the dotted, slant out. Okay, slant down. I am. Again, guys, just a dot. You don't have to put that great big meatball and not a circle. We don't need all of that. Okay. Kid. Id. Kid. 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 Okay. Lowercase k. This time, top to bottom. At the dotted, slant in, slant out. Okay. Lowercase k. Finger space. Lowercase k. I. D. Kid. This word is kit. It. 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 Put it together. Kit. Okay? Lowercase k, top to bottom. Lift your pencil at the dotted, slant in, slant out. Lowercase I, lowercase t. Finger space. Kid. K. I. D. And here we're going to trace and write the sentence. The kid has a kit. We're focusing on the letter K. I'm sorry, I did this one wrong. Let Miss Lewis straighten that out. Get the eraser. Go back and erase this. My mind is on the kid. Maybe I'm thinking about my little boy. So kit. Let's change that lowercase d to a lowercase t. Thank you. All right, the kid has a kit. The begins with an uppercase T. Why? Do you know why? Exactly. It's the beginning of the sentence. The kid has a kit. Has a kit. If you notice, all of my letters are touching that bottom line. Don't have your letters, all of my words, I'm sorry. Don't have your words running up and down the hill. Touch that bottom line and have your paper nice and neat. All right, so this time we're going to write the kid has a kit. Uppercase T, remember? Miss Lewis's pen is acting a little wacky, but we're going to get it straight. The finger space, kid, lowercase k, top to bottom, at the dotted, slant in, slant out. Kid, finger space, has, finger space, a, finger space, kit. Lowercase k again, I, t. And the dot for your period. Not the meatball, not that big old circle. The kid has a kit. And that's the introduction from Kayla Kangaroo for the letter K. All right, bye-bye.